Hi everybody, this is Julian from Step Stool Chef, and I have exciting news to tell you. The Step Stool Chef is expanding, it's growing, and I am so excited for this new chapter of the business because we are currently touring this location called Salt Box, and basically what we're here doing is we're touring it to look at new places to put our operations and to expand for our business. So come on with me, I'm going to be taking a tour and we're going to be exploring different places to set up, and I'm just super excited that we get to be here today because that means that Step Stool Chef is expanding, and I'm super excited for that part and that next chapter of Step Stool Chef. So come on, let's go. This place is great for small businesses like mine, where we can set up both as an office and as like a warehouse slash operations space, where we could both, do Step Stool Chef CEO work, and also where we can, make our actual products. And this is great because it's open 24 hours. I could be coming here after school and after practices. It would be great, wouldn't it? This is the place. It's super awesome. There's its own loading dock right here. So that way the Step Stool Chef can load incoming passengers, and we can also export our own cooking kits. So this is where the facility would be. This is where we would make all of the Step Stool Chef kits, and we would be sending them off to Amazon.